Welcome back to Quiz Splash, where fun quizzes come to life. Today's challenge is simple but wild. Which animal is stronger? Two animals will appear. You pick the strongest. Let's see how sharp your animal instincts really are. Tiger! That stripe power wins this round. Well done. Let's see if you can guess this one. Elephant. That sheer size is no joke. Two giants down, can you handle the next matchup? Grizzly bear. Raw strength takes it. Those were the first three. Have you guessed them all so far? And this one's getting serious. Hyena. That bite force seals the deal. Let's keep the wild guesses coming. Hippo! Looks chill but hits like a tank. Ready for another animal showdown? Bull! Pure muscle power wins. Let's see if you can nail this one. Jaguar, the heavyweight of big cats. Next pair coming right up. Kodiak bear, absolute unit energy. Can you keep this streak alive? Chimpanzee. Strength beats brains here. All right, eyes on the next emojis. Crocodile. Armor and jaws for the win. This next one's a classic. Eagle. Power beats speed. Let's see what flies in next. Orca. The ocean boss shows up. Can you feel the pressure rising? Kangaroo! Those kicks are deadly. Next animal's no hesitation. Grizzly bear. Size matters. This quiz is getting wild. Buffalo. Heavyweight champion. Let's roll into the next one. Leopard. Strength beats speed. All right, next challenge incoming. Lion. King energy activated. Think you've got the next one? Brown bear. No contest there. Brace yourself for what's next. Camel. Built for endurance and strength. Okay, deep breath, next one. Anaconda. Bigger coils, bigger power. That was number 20. How many did you get right so far? And the next ones are no mercy. Hippo. Nature's tank wins. Let's see if you can stay sharp. Wolverine. Small but savage. This one might surprise you. Hyena. That bite strength again. All right, eyes locked on the next pair. Crocodile. Ancient power wins. Next showdown coming in hot. Eagle. Power flight wins. You're doing great, keep guessing. Bull. Strength over speed. This next one's intense. Bison. Pure mass advantage. Almost there, don't blink. Polar bear. Apex predator vibes. 2 more to go, lock in. Python. Constriction, power wins. Final matchup coming up. Crocodile. The final boss takes it. Drop your score in the comments and challenge a friend. That's today's Quiz Splash. Drop your score in the comments, like, subscribe, and see you in the next quiz.